Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you an update on the Spyglass development in St. Andrew, Jamaica. Now this is a luxury development. It comprises apartments, which are the units we're looking at now, and townhouses, which are the units at the beginning of the video. Now this development it's between Millsboro and Jacksonville in an area called Tavistock. So we are going to go through an article that gives more information on what's happening here. The Spyglass development is a luxurious residential community located in Jacksonville, Kingston 6, St. Andrew, Jamaica. Spanning 5 acres, this project offers a mix of apartments and townhouses with breathtaking views of Kingston. It combines modern architectural design with premium finishes featuring options such as open concept layouts, gourmet kitchens, and private outdoor spaces. Residences also include amenities like walk-in closets, en-suite bathrooms, and advanced air conditioning systems. Residents of Spyglass have access to top-tier community features including an infinity edge pool, jacuzzis, a yoga pavilion, a fully equipped gym, a jogging trail, and a pickleball court. Additional amenities include EV charging stations, secure parking, a children's playground, and even a dog park, ensuring a lifestyle of convenience and leisure. The development reflects a growing demand for high-quality urban housing in Jamaica, and its strategic location places it near essential services, shopping, and dining options, making it attractive to investors and residents alike. Alright guys, so let us know what you think of this development. Very, very nice. If anybody knows how much these units are going for, or if they are still available, if they've been sold out or not, let us know. Wow, look at that view. When you're supposed to have a really nice view from this development. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day. Thank you.